This video is about NGC 7331, Stefan's Quintet, UFOs, polar lights and creepy, cracky people. So let's start. Astrophotography not only makes you a nerd, but also the alien and UFO expert among your friends. The day before yesterday, I spent the night at the observatory to capture NGC 7331 and Stefan's Quintet. Yesterday, I decided to stay home even though the sky was clear. However, this morning I received multiple messages from friends about sightings of celestial phenomena. Is that a UFO? Then a friend sent me an article stating that large-scale northern lights were visible in my region yesterday. Damn! I should have gone out to photograph the UFOs, which were most likely just northern lights. Maybe Elon Musk just left some space junk again, who knows. As mentioned, the day before yesterday I was at the observatory with the goal of capturing a beautiful image of NGC 7331 with Stefan's Quintet. Since I had to wake up early the next day, my plan was to take images for 3 hours. So I started setting everything up. I had already noticed several times that the fan of the ASI 1600 MCC starts humming happily when I plug in the power cable that runs through the EQ8R mount. I thought it wouldn't harm anything. However, when I connected the camera to the PC, it had already cooled down below 0 degrees to the point where there were already some spots on the sensor. It's a mystery to me why the camera simply cools down to the maximum as soon as you plug in the cable from the EQ8R. When I plug in the regular power cable, this doesn't happen until I give the command in the program. Very strange. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you plug in the power cable but haven't connected the camera to the PC yet, pay attention to it. I had to remove it again and wait indoors until the streaks disappeared, so I lost important exposure time. Then I could proceed. This time I plugged in the cable after starting the camera in the program, and everything went as usual. I could cool the camera down to the desired value. That solved the first problem. I've identified another issue, but I don't feel like solving it right now. I'd rather start capturing some images first. As hinted in the last video, I doubt the accuracy of the polar alignment. There is a noticeable field rotation between the first and last images of the evening. So I have to work on that again, but I think it can wait. I'm just glad the new setup is running and I want to capture something I'm excited about for now. It was a really clear night. The moon was constantly there, but it was so low in the southern sky that I thought it wouldn't be much of a hindrance. I was surprised by how much it still brightened up the sky, but well, can't change that. In total, I captured 370 images that night. Each one was 30 seconds long to minimize the effects of atmospheric turbulence. Scene conditions are rarely good here at the North Sea and it quickly affects star images, so 30 seconds is a good compromise. Take a look how beautiful the night was, how peaceful and calm. No, it wasn't. What's really annoying is that in front of the building where the observatory is located, there are always drunken troublemakers gathering, shouting and causing disturbances. This hobby relies on peace and quiet, and there's nothing more annoying, especially since I have to pass by these creepy people in the end. Very unpleasant. Nevertheless, undeterred, I captured calibration images and processed my result the next day. Despite the moon and the creepy, cracky people, I couldn't take images of these guys, but instead I've got some Bing-generated impressions for you. I'm sure they are accurate. Here's my image of NGC 7331 and Stefan's quintet. But what are we seeing here? NGC 7331 is a spiral galaxy located about 45 million light years away from Earth in the constellation Pegasus. It's a beautiful spiral galaxy with arms of stars and dust that measures 10.5 arcseconds in the sky. Stefan's quintet is a group of 5 galaxies found in the constellation Pegasus as well, but it's much farther away, about 290 million light years from Earth, and of course it appears way smaller. Despite the name, one of the galaxies in the group is not part of the actual quintet, but lies in the same line of sight. These galaxies interact with each other, as you can easily see. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment. See you soon, who knows, maybe with exciting UFO or Northern Lights images, or I'll never upload something new because I get kidnapped by these guys the next time I leave the building. Who knows? Clear skies.